Hey beauties, I'm coming at you all today with my flat twist routine. So I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair and allowed it to dry in a t-shirt. So this is what my hair looks like after my treatment and everything. I will tell y'all one thing, ever since I got these layers cut into my hair, like my curls have been popping. It has been like super easy to detangle my hair. Like if you got some ends that aren't meant to be there, just cut them off. It's gonna make your life so much easier. So this is my hair after I've washed it, conditioned it, deep conditioned it. So I'm first just gonna start by sectioning my hair into 3 sections. So I think I'm gonna do a side part. So I'm gonna part my hair on this side, and I'm gonna use my fingers to part my hair so that I don't have any like defined parts, because I've noticed since parting my hair and doing these styles, like I usually part my hair in the middle and it's like I have a permanent middle part. So I'm just gonna part my sections using my fingers. Alright, so now that I got my sections squared away, I decided to do 2 sections in the front and then 1 larger section in the back. And I decided that I'm going to do my flat twist in these front 2 sections, and then with this back section I'm just going to do 2-strand twist. So I'm going to go ahead and start the 2-strand twist. Of course, to start off, I'm going to apply my oil to each section, to my scalp on each section. And then I'm going to go in with my Thank God I'm Natural leave-in conditioner. And then after that, I'm going to use my Can2 moisturizer. And then I'm going to go back and seal with my oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the back section and do my 2-strand twist, just because 2-strand twists can be pretty self-explanatory. I'm also going to, after I put in all of my leave-in, moisturizer, and oil, I'm going to apply my Eco Styler gel to each twist in each section, just to really give my twist that hold. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I will be back to do a slow down demo of the flat twist in the front. Alright, so I've got two of my flat twists done in the front, and I've done my individual 2-strand twists in the back, as you can see. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do my flat twists. So I did about 3 sections on this side. I've already applied my moisturizer, my oil, my leave-in, all that jazz. So now I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel and apply an amount to my fingers. And I'm going to apply that to this section, starting from the ends and working my way to the roots. And I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just detangle. When doing flat twists, the key is detangling. Like, it might not seem like it makes much of a difference, but it does. So now that my part is detangled, I'm going to take a small section like that, and I'm going to split that into 2 to begin my twist. So to begin my twist, I'm just going to cross the one section over the other, and I'm using my index finger as my guide and also to pick up hair. So I'm going to put that index finger in between those 2 sections. I'm going to grab the hair with my index finger. I'm going to pinch some more hair in the section, grab it, grab the small section on top with my index finger and thumb, and just pick up that hair and twist. And I'm also using my index finger underneath to help as my guide as well. So I'm taking my index finger, putting it in between those 2 sections, pinching, picking up hair, twisting, doing the same thing. And my index finger is back in place to pick up hair. Putting it through, grabbing hair, twisting, back in place. Pulling it through, grabbing hair, twisting, back in place. Pulling it through, grabbing hair, twisting. Sorry if it's a little confusing. I know it can be a little difficult to twist and braid to the scalp. I tried the best I could. If you still don't get it, then maybe watch somebody else's video. But once I get to the end and can't pick up any more hair, I'm just going to 2-strand twist. Again, I'm going to detangle to make sure there's no kinks, and I'm just going to 2-strand twist all the way to the bottom. So once I make it to the bottom, I'm gonna take my perm rod. I'm gonna take my perm rod, and I'm just going to wrap it around my ends and wrap my hair all the way up until I can't wrap anymore, and seal it. And the perm rods just kind of reinforce my ends and make sure that it has that curl, and that's all that's to it. So I'm gonna do this side, and then I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so I'm back, and this is like a week later. I decided to use the twist as like a protective style. So I basically just took like my turban or whatever these are called, and I just placed it over my twist and just left like a flat twist or two hanging out in the front. And I thought it was just kind of a cute style, and it also just kept my hair protected and moisturized, and like let my twist set for a while. So to take my twist down, I'm going to use some oil, and I'm just going to apply that to my hands just to reduce any friction or frizz while taking down my twist, and also just to give my hair a little bit of shine. So I'm just going to rub that through my hands and rub it throughout the twist. And then I'm going to begin taking out all of my perm rods and then unraveling my twists. And as you can see, I really like to take my time when unraveling my flat twist and just kind of go in with the flow of my hair. So once I've taken out my twist out, I'm just going to give my hair a good shake. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just kind of pick through my hair just to give my hair a little more volume. So after I've picked and fluffed, these are my results. I hope you all like this video. This is a great protective style for these cold winter months. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces.